ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು 849th ಡೇ. ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ವಂ ವನಪರ್ವಂ ಆರ್ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪರ್ವಂ 49th ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. Sutta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaj, saying like this: O Raja, Sanjaya said to Dhritarashtra Maharaju like this: O Raja, Pandavas, because their wife was insulted, all of them are very mad at all your sons, and they are definitely going to kill all your sons in the battle. That is what is my opinion. Like that, when Sanjaya said, now Dhritarashtra Maharaju saying like this: O Sanjaya, even Karna also spoke very badly, but he did not achieve anything. He unnecessarily escalated the quarrel between Pandavas and Kauravas. It's all started with dragging Draupadi into the assembly by holding her hair. That is what made all this big mess, and that is what invited such a huge fight between Kauravas and Pandavas. O Sanjaya, even now also my sons are not doing any good. Duryodhana is not behaving any humble. Duryodhana feels that because I am blind, I am stupid. He does not listen to me at all. O Sanjaya, even Karna and Shakuni, being the ministers of Duryodhana, they are not doing any good to Duryodhana. They are unnecessarily making Duryodhana do many more bad things. O Sanjaya, on other side, Arjuna has such a great divine glow, and while playing, if he does any kind of shoots his arrows, those arrows can kill my sons. Now imagine if he shoots his arrows with so much of anger, we cannot even imagine what destruction that is going to cause. O Sanjaya, Arjuna can kill all the devatas with the arrows that he releases, he shoots from his bow. And those arrows, he invokes mantras into those arrows. And such a great thing with Arjuna is now, Yasya mantri cha gopta cha suhruchaiva janardanaha harihi trailokyanathah saha kimnu tasya na nirjitam. Trailokyanatha, the one, the master of all three worlds, and Janardana, Srihari, such Sri Krishna Paramatma is a protector of Arjuna, is a friend to Arjuna, is a minister to Arjuna. Now, having Sakshat Sri Krishna Paramatma helping him in all these aspects, now who can win, who can defeat Arjuna in this world, and is there anything that Arjuna cannot achieve in this world? O Sanjaya, Arjuna's valor is such a shocking and surprising, we cannot even imagine. I heard he did Bahu Yuddham with Sakshat Paramasiva. Earlier, in the previous Arjuna and Krishna, what they have done in Khandava Vanam and how they helped Agnideva, All three worlds knows about it. Now, what I feel, sarvadha nahi me putraah saha matyaah sa saubalaah kruddhe pardhe cha bhime cha vasudeve cha satvate. If Sri Krishna, Arjuna, Bhimasena, if they get anger towards my sons, there is no way my sons will be alive. Definitely, along with army, along with ministers, along with Parivaram, all of my sons are going to be killed by these three great soldiers, Krishna, Arjuna, Bhimasena. Like that, Dhritarashtra expressing his fear to Sanjaya. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. For Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.